here you go again. Our third how-to videos. Now, how to use your Gmail account, and I will teach you how to add filters to organize your message. Alright, so let's proceed. Where is that? Alright, so last time we navigate using this button here, to go around within our LMS. So right now we're going to close this tab and go back to our Gmail page. Alright, so again, please kanang practice yourself every time you send a message, or if you want to communicate, please use this one. Please use your Gmail. Okay, so to send a message, that is very simple. Click this button, guys, compose, and write the email address that you want to send this message. Now remember, since we are using an LMS, a learning management system, all the addresses within our organization it's being shared. So all you need to do is, if you know the name of the person, you can just write it down immediately, and then automatically ihatag na sa imo. Example, I want to message our school director, Alan Ategas. I'm just gonna write Alan, and there you go. That's the name of our school director. If you want to send who else? The registrar, Tibet registrar. Ayan, so we have this one. So if you notice, it will automatically give you the email of that person. Now next, please put a subject title. Ayaw in taon blankuhila ni nga part, because the first thing nga makitaan sa katong mubasa sa imong message, guys, is the subject title. So you need to put the subject title palihog lang, para bisag dili i-open ang message, the person receiving your emails will know automatically, by just reading the title. Alright, so sample. I'm gonna send Sir Mamugay na lang. Alright. By the way, did I introduce myself in other videos? Wala, no? My name is Giovanni Mamugay, by the way. Alright, hi sir. Alright. Hello, sir. Alright, sir. And again, once you add the title, add a body, the content of your letter, guys. Hello, sir. How are you? Alright. Then, if you want to attach a file, an image, just go down here, right here. There's, I think it's a paperclip icon there. Just click it, and then you can attach now an image. Alright, so I'm going to attach my image there. Let's say this guy. Alright, wait for it. There you go. And then, once you are done with your message, send. Ayan. That's it. That's how simple you send an email message to somebody, using your Gmail account. Alright. Next, now, because of sometimes a lot of messages musulod sa ato ang email, and then sa kadaghang messages, it's really hard for us to look for those email messages, pag grabe ng daghana. So that's where the filter features comes in. Dako siyang advantage if you know how to filter it, to block all the incoming messages sa imong account, para nga mas ma-organize imong mga messages. So example, tanan messages ni Sir Mamugay, isulod nimo siya isa ka location, para when you want to check if this is this message is from your teacher, dali na dito, no? So that's one of the feature sa filter. So let's try doing it, ha? And then I'll show you what happened. All right. So first, set up your filter. Where? Click settings. Now you can do a lot of things here, but please do explore. Ayaw kabalaka, no? Click all settings there. Once the all settings appear, na kayo makita din ni filters and block addresses. All right, that is what we want. So i-click niyo muna. Click. That's it. Then all you need to do is create a new filter. So again, for this example, I want to filter my teacher's email messages to me or mga announcement niya or whatsoever, no? So i-click na po ng filter. Now, there are different criterias there or conditions kumbaga, no? So, kinsa may tan-awo ni Gmail to block all those messages, no? So, since kabalo nung ko kinsa nagpadala, so I'm gonna write here from. So, kinsa to akong kuanon? Sayan, si Sir Giovanni. So, tanan email messages gikan ni Giovanni, ako nang i-filter. Alright? So, pwede pod og na ay subject, pwede na ay words diha, or whatsoever. You can explore that. So, for this example, I want to look for any email messages nga gikan kang Sir Giovanni Mamugay. Alright? So, that's it. That's simple. That's very simple lang, no? I-click na kung search. Oh, no, not search, sorry. Create filter. That's what you want. There you go. Now, after that, here's what you want to do, no? I want to check this box, skip the inbox, meaning, ang email message ni Sir Mamugay, di na musod sa inbox, no? Kaya nga naman, gusto na po siya ilahi og lain nga storage. Alright? So, skip the inbox. Ang sa may buhaton na ko, sir, I want to click apply the labels. Alright? So, click choose label. I'm gonna write here new labels. Imagine labels, guys, more siya folder, okay? Each label can be used as a folder to organize your email messages. In this case, tanan message ni Sir Mamugay isulod na ko og label. Dili mo adto sa inbox, okay? Sige, let's try this. New label. And I'm gonna write here, Sir Mamugay. Messages. Why not? Why not? Alright, create. And create filter. There you go. That's how you create a filter. Now, let us, what do you call this? Let's try, no? So, I'm gonna open my account, my Giovanni Mamugay account. So, I think I opened it already. Not yet. I'm gonna open it here. Okay, there you go. So, I'm opening a new browser where my Giovanni.Mamugay at ACLC Butuan account is synced. Alright, adding a browser. So, this is now. Here you go. I'm going to my Gmail. So, remember how to navigate? Click lang. Remember, we send the letter using a sample student account. So, hopefully, makita na ko na karon din. Ayan, there you go. So, sample student sent me a letter. There you go. Hello, Sir Mamugay. Okay. So, I'm gonna reply lang po. I'm good. How about you? Alright, no? By the way, ako lang i-clarify kay na instances nga pag mag-reply mo o dili mo maka-reply sa akong image, mali inyong gibuhat, no? Instead of replying a new message, what you did is naghimo mo bago nga email message. So that's wrong. So if this message, this email message, no, nadawat nimo and then you want to reply this message, please do not click compose like that. No, you don't want to do that if you want to reply a message. Instead of clicking compose, click this button, reply. It should be like that, reply. That's it. That's it. In that way, whatever your message is there, iuban na siya sa kaning una nga message nga gi-send. More naka-trend lang siya, no? More siya ka ng at least makitaan tong previous message. That's why you reply to it. Alright, so I'm gonna reply this. I'm okay. Alright. Bisa gabi na, no? So, oras ro. Anyway, alright. Now, that's how you reply. Now, I'm gonna send a new message ni sample student, no? And then, let us see kung si sample student iya bang i-filter ang akong message. Alright, so I'm gonna send a message. How do you write an email message? Type the click the compose button, and then once na ning message, you click to kung kinsay padalaan. There you go. Then I'm gonna write a title, testing filter feature. Where's my message? Ano lang. Okay. Now, I'm not gonna put any attachment. No. You can format your text, guys, if you want to. No. Ikaw na bahala diha. Just explore it if you want to do that. All right. Then send. Woo! Almost done. So now, hopefully, this message will go to sample student account, and then di niya makitaan sa inbox. Asa man niya makitaan dapit. I-check na to. Okay? So, let's swap. Now, wala niya nakitaan dahil because probably nag-loading pa siya, no? So, let's refresh it. Refresh. So, guys, please, if you send a message, ayaw na po pag-expect dayon o after a few seconds, replyan dayon mo, no? Because this is not a chat room nga real-time ta nag-conversation. So, it takes time. So, please, wait a few minutes. Alright, see what happened? Asa man tong akong gi-reply nga message? Did you see here inside the inbox part? Wala, right? Even my new message, wala po. Where? Because you added a filter feature on your Gmail account. So, asa man dapit niya gibuhat? Asa man niya gibutang? Look at here in this part. Remember the label that we created? Di ba nagbutang tag Sir Mamugay messages? So, notice mura siyang ni bold. It means na ay sulod. Look at the number in this part. See that? There's 2 messages daw gikan sa ako. So, pag i-click ta na, boom! Ayan, this is where my messages went through, no? Ayan, so ang akong reply naa po diha. Notice the labels here. That's why naa siya sulod sa Sir Mamugay messages because of this. So, do not click the X button there, alright? But the point here is all my messages right now will be filtered, and then automatic ilabog niya dinhi nga location. So that will make your email messages be very organized, no? Especially pag daghan mo yung mga ipang emails, no? Okay? So, that's how you use your Gmail account. And then, I think, and that's it for our third how-to videos, guys. See you on the next how-to videos. Bye!